is under serious threat, especially during lockdown. Everybody went mad for becoming beekeepers overnight, and a lot of them weren't aware of the importance of only dealing with native bees, and we saw a lot of imported bees coming in, and unfortunately those bees will basically dilute the indigenous bee, and that is of a serious concern today, which is the main purpose of this bill. Also to note that Malta, Estonia, France and Finland are all looking to Ireland to see what we do about this, as they also have huge issues with their indigenous bees. Slovenia actually set a precedent in 2008 by banning imports of all honeybees. They have protection of their native stock, which is what we're after today. Did you know that the Irish honeybee has shorter legs, a hairier body and a shorter tongue? Our bees know how to ration their food in our weather conditions, which is amazing, whereas the imported bees do not know how to do that. So very, very clever, very, very important.